Interactive cards are fun to make, and kids of all ages love receiving them. In this video, which is part of my Die Cut Crazy series, I am sharing many interactive cards for kids and how to make a card with hidden surprises for the special child to find and open. Hello and welcome to Karen's Creative Cards on YouTube. I am Karen Heshik, and I used many dies and a fun gnome stamp set to make this stair-step card for Christmas. Now all the details on the stamps and dies used will be on my blog, and links are in the description box to those blog posts as well as to the products featured in this video. So this is a stair-step card that I made, and it's a gnomes, and I had a really cute stamp set that said Santa did it. He let the gnomes out, and then it's interactive in that it has stair steps, and on the back I have another cute stamp that says, "We wish Christmas joy to you and your gnomies." So a cute stair step card for a special child. Here's another stair step card I decorated simply with pop-out 5 little monkeys set. So we have the cute little 5 little monkeys poem, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for the child to count down the monkeys. Another interactive card that kids would love is this wiper card where the balloons pop up when the card is pulled. These really cute animal alphabet dies are from Sizzix, and of course it says happy birthday with a cute H and B animal, and then when the child pulls on there, the balloons pop up. And this animated interactive card was created with a set of stamps and dies from Motion Crafts. So just look at what happens when I pull that arrow. See how that heart is interactive and moves back and forth. It's really cool. We have a darling panda, and then it says sending paper hugs, which is a really one of my favorite new word die sets from Cat Scrappiness. My youngest grandson loves dinosaurs, and I could not resist this Tree Rex stamp set from Trinity Stamps. I'll show it to you. It has some really cute words, and these cute dinosaurs that formed into a tree, and it says sending you a little tree Rex. Isn't that cute? But just look at what happens on the inside of this card. We have another really cute dinosaur and another sentiment from that stamp set from Trinity Stamps. And then these are little pockets that my grandson can open, and then he will rip that aluminum foil and he will find a surprise inside every one of these doors. Now isn't that cool? I just couldn't resist when I saw this Infinity Dies mini set from Hero Arts. It's called Circle Peekaboo Doors, and so I I'm going to show you how to make a similar card with these for my older grandson. My other grandson is a teenager, and he loves Dungeons and Dragons. So I copied some Dungeons and Dragons Christmas art for his card. So on the inside it's going to say, "May your Christmas be a natural 20, which I guess is the best score in Dungeons and Dragons, and this is going to be on the front. So this is how to make one of those hidden treasures cards. I have taken 3 of these, and you can see how these are, the possibilities are just endless. What you could get behind here, I mean, you could have a really big prize behind the biggest, but I've chosen 3 of the medium ones, and I die cut them, and you can see that they're like doors. Okay, so they're going to open and they're going to see what's inside. This part doesn't cut, and then I just stamped a interactive stamp from, I'm not sure who it's from, it will be on my blog, on there. And then on the front, those you can see that those are die cut. So I have 3 little prizes here. It's going to be a quarter and a dollar and a candy piece. And we're going to take some skinny two-sided ScorTape, and we're going to surround these openings with this tape. So you just need some tape on all sides of the 3 windows. And then we're going to take some aluminum foil, and first we have to remove the cover on this tape. And take pieces of aluminum foil and cover up those openings, so you can see that here there will be aluminum foil that can be easily torn into, and revealing the prizes that are going to be on inside them. And of course this is going to be completely covered up. So no, that's not quite big enough. Some of this excess can be cut away. Alright, so from this side he's going to see the aluminum foil that he can punch through and get his prizes. I'm going to put the dollar bill in the largest one, and the quarter in the smallest one, and the candy in that one. And now we're going to take something that will raise the front. You can use like mounting tape, but I really like these Motion Crafts foam tape strips. They're really easy to work with, and I just like using them for any shaker cards or anything that I want raised uniformly all around a card. So we're going to go all around the edge. And this is to raise the card front up so those prizes will be enclosed. But we're also going to go around these openings and as close as we can get without showing when the aluminum foil is punctured. So when we want to go all around the prizes, and then I'll just put this piece here just to raise that and this area. Well, that should be good. And then we're going to remove the covering on these. Come on, get off my finger. Okay, so I think all the covers are off. That one's still there, isn't it? And that one's still there. Okay, so I have a card front that I cut deliberately bigger than what I needed, just because it's easier to do that than to try to get it lined up perfectly. So I'm just going to press this down on all of that foam tape. And now those prizes are in there until my grandson reveals them. So we're just going to trim off the excess. So on the front, we're going to have this Dungeons and Dragons thing. The perfect score, I guess. And then I have this piece ready, May Your Christmas Be a Natural 20, which I think is a very good thing. And I will add that to the inside. And so the card is complete. It has the fun Dungeons and Dragons thing on the front, and then when he gets it, he can open these and reveal his prizes. May your Christmas be a natural 20. The possibilities of what can be hidden in a card using these ingenious dies from Hero Arts are endless. I know both of my grandsons are going to love their Christmas cards, and I hope these cards inspire you to give some of these ideas and products a try. Thanks for watching, sharing, and subscribing, and thanks too for helping me share the joy of creativity.